Hello and welcome to Fat Belly Mark's shed. Today's project is the Harley Davidson tribute bowl. It is going to be made of maple and oak segments and will be in the style of a chip and dip bowl. I will be helped by Harley the robot, who will assemble the blank for the bowl. This bowl has some added extras and was great fun to make. I hope you enjoy the viewing experience. First of all, I started by making all the maple segments. The wood looks a bit stripy in colour, but this was caused by the router bit that I cleaned the wood up with being a bit dull and burning its way along the wood rather than cutting it. Then it was off to the oak segments. These were made of reclaimed oak floorboards, which had to be laminated together to make the required thickness. It's now over to Harley the robot to do his bit. Thanks for that, Harley. This is the centre of the bowl being turned to shape. If you have any questions or would like to leave a comment, please do. I glued the centre turning boss into the bowl blank with hot glue. This turned out to be very successful. Now it was time for some turning. Today's big question is, how many clips do you think it took to make the robot Harley scene? I made a cardboard template for the shape I wanted the outside of the bowl to be. For the inside of the bowl, I wanted concave sides with an overhanging lip. Watch out for the great reveal. For the centre ring, I made it concave on the outside with a round over top. The bowl was sanded inside and out with grits ranging from 80 to 1200. I gave the bowl 5 coats of lacquer and sanded between each coat. And I went on to create the bottom of the bowl. I'm going to modify the light to illuminate the Harley emblem. It will fit inside the bowl below the emblem itself. I 3D printed a holder for the light and shoehorned all the components in. Here it is in all its glory. For those of you who would like to see the making of the Harley emblem, it follows shortly, and for the rest of you, bye for now and thanks for watching.